Students, this is the second video of the chapter Our Environment. Water and air are a part of the environment. All living things need them. Living things also need food. Whatever living things need to survive, they get from their environment. Birds build nests. They need cotton, twigs, and threads to build them. They get these things from the environment. Human beings use so many things from the environment. We get cotton, wool, and silk from our environment. We weave cloth from them. We make things like mats, baskets, paper from materials in our environment. These materials too we get from our environments like clay, stone, wood, etc. We build houses using clay and stone and wood. The seeds of some plants are scattered by the wind. As a result, seedlings of those plants grow in new places. Thus, plants to get help from their environment. Living things take many things from these in their environment. What effect does that have on the environment? Animals like vultures and foxes eat the flesh of dead animals. Thus, they clean the environment while they satisfy their hunger. Remains of dead animals decay. They mix with the soil. Leaves fall off trees. They too rot and get mixed in the soil. This makes the soil fertile. Plants get nourished from fertile soil. Thus, living things bring about changes in non-living things too. A sheep's body is covered with wool. The sheep feed on leaves of shrubs. As it does so, the seeds of some shrubs can get caught in its wool. When the sheep goes somewhere else, the seeds may fall off there. Thus, the sheep helps new siblings of the shrub to grow in many different places. In this way, the sheep and the shrub help each other. What we learned from the chapter Our Environment. There are many things in our environment. Some of them are living things and some are non-living things. Living things can move on their own. Living things need food. Food helps them to grow. Living things produce young ones like themselves. Living things are of two kinds, plants and animals. Living things get all that they need from their environment. Living things bring about changes in non-living things too. All things in the environment depend upon each other. The needs of all living things are fulfilled by things in their environment. Such things should not be allowed to go waste. We must take care that we do not cause harm to the environment.